Right now we're at Covert Avenue grade elimination site for the mainline expansion project. We ripped out the railroad tracks last night in the approach to install a new underpass over a 48-hour outage.
Since we took the railroad out of service last night, we've managed to excavate nearly 2,000 cubic yards of excavation in order to make room to push a large bridge structure in place. We have a very strong outreach program trying to keep the community involved and aware of what the work will be done.
I think the thing that's most impressed me from the community ambassador's perspective is the communication that's taken place. When we have residents who do have issues, Tom gets in touch with us, we get out into the community to address the issues. If the issue is one that the contractors can take care of, we deal with it. If not, we reach out to the Long Island Railroad, the MTA. They've been incredibly responsive.
The MTA, 3TC, quite honestly, they've been very responsive to almost every issue that we've brought about. I think it's been going quite well. Notifications have gone out to our residents to keep everybody abreast of what's going on.
We're actually pushing a structure that's going to service two bridges. One carrying the mainline railroad, the second one carrying 2nd Avenue, a local street, New Hyde Park. The total weight of this structure is over 1,200 tons, which represents twice that of what we did at Urban Avenue.
By this afternoon, the bridge will be in place and we'll start backfilling and then reestablishing the railroad.